When we look into nature, we can see not only beauty, but also the future. How to develop and produce a simple, high-quality, robust boiler that enables the user with complete comfort and reliability while keeping the price of the boiler low. Waltis Engineering and Development Team has been asking and finding answers for these questions for over 30 years. With the environment in mind, Waltis develops heating systems that offers maximum comfort for the user while heating their home and keeping our environment clean due to low emissions into the atmosphere. Nowadays, all Waltis boilers, from the very beginning to the final product, are produced at the company's headquarters in Maribor, Slovenia. Highly qualified experts who have been doing this for decades produce boilers of a top quality. They follow the energy trends that dictate the production of highly efficient wood log, pellets, and wood chip boilers. The boilers are flawlessly managed by Waltis Software Electronics, which has been improved and built for decades. The boilers are produced with the highest quality materials, where durability and reliability comes first. Users of these boilers respect the quality, durability, and longevity of our products. They value a clean environment and want to pass it on to future generations as well. An important part of our distribution is also up-to-date technical support, where we provide education to distributors in the field of communication with end customers, sales techniques, and methods of obtaining inquiries from end customers.